The angel comes to tell Mary she's going to have a baby, and she says that you're going to have a baby, and then Mary says, Jesus. And the angel says that you're going to call him, and then Mary says, Jesus.
The angel Gabriel went to tell Mary was pregnant.
Yeah.
And she was going to have a baby boy.
They had to drag him on a donkey.
A donkey, yeah.
Called
They
Keen.
went to Nazareth.
They went to an inn, and the innkeeper said you have to stay in the back of the shed.
The shed at the back of the gap you can stay in.
I'm not staying in the shed.
Mom, Mary, I got a pop.
Jesus! Mary gave birth to a beautiful baby boy called Jesus.
What kind of animals were there?
A cow and a sheep and a donkey. Yeah. And two shepherds as well.
And the three kings and shepherds saw some sort of star. They went on a camel, take days maybe.
They did get on the camel.
They got some sort of frankincense thing.
They got a Barbie doll.
No, they
Carpenter set. And they got a pencil. And then they got a football set.